What's up, guys? Zegrix here, back for another video. Today I am near, pretty sure it's called Jesup, Georgia. I am around 800 miles away from home on vacation, just enjoying myself, and apparently I had an urge to go explore some abandoned places, and I apparently found another abandoned house on a dirt road. This one is nothing much to see. It's only a one floor house, no basement, surprisingly. In this area, it's pretty hard to find abandoned places because of I don't know if you don't even know why, but apparently I found this place, and I guess I'm lucky to find one. So anyways, let's get started with the video. There's a couple warnings in this house. I did some walking around and found a lot of wasps. So I'm wearing my protective gear, make sure I don't get stung. And I have my boots on. So let's get started with this video. Honestly don't know when this house was abandoned or how old it is. I just know it's a little bit of a hazard and looks like people have ravaged this place, but there's no graffiti. I'm guessing this is the living room because there's a stand right there. That's my guess. Pretty sure you guys can see without the flashlight. There's a couple soft spots on the floor, so I have to watch my step so I can feel a little bit of mushiness. Seems like this place has an attic, but I don't know how to get up there. Unless you don't know how that happened. But it did happen. Seems like I think someone tried stealing something from this wall, or someone just threw a rock at it or something. I'm not sure what happened there. Head on to the next room. This is the room I was trying to be cautious of, wary. Because if you look to the left, you only see a little thing on the wall. That's a wasp's nest right there. There's literally bugs on there, wasps. So yeah, I watch myself. I think that's just a bee's nest. It's either wasps or bees. Not sure. There's a couple in here. It's kind of the reason why I'm wary of going exploring in the summer. Let's see what's in here. It's the kitchen. I think that's a filter right there. That's probably a filter, a water filter. Oh, feeling some squishiness right here. Stable. I would try to look inside these drawers, see if there's something in there, but it looks like it's empty. Let's try one, see if there's anything in there. Oh. Yeah. There is just a nest in there. It's It's making some weird noises when I open it. That's empty. Anything in here? Nope, empty. This leads outside. Nothing much to see other than farmland. Interesting. Break a box or something. Here's a bathroom. This place has 2 bathrooms actually. And a shower over there. Patching plaster. Oh, like it. Nothing special, I guess. Guessing this is one of the bedrooms, just from the look of it. If I'm right, there was actually a nest over here too. No, I don't see it. Alright. Shame to see these windows busted out. That's why I'm wearing boots, so I don't get hurt from it. Stepping on all the glass. Water tank. Alright, empty. Nice. Guess that's it for this side. I know this house is pretty small, so there isn't really much to see here. But I did say last week that I was going to try getting another video in. And it's pretty hard to find houses in these areas. They're just like farmhouses. So I'm like really lucky to find one in this state. This is actually a really cool room right here. I like it. This must have been a really nice house to live in a while ago. I'd say this house has been abandoned for 10 years. Or maybe 15. Less than 10 or 15. Yeah. It's really chill. From the look of that closet right there, there's probably nothing in there. Yeah, empty. Except for one clothes. Oh, 2 clothes hangers. Not surprised. Not sure how that happened. This is the only room I wanted to be wary of. Right here. This is the room I'm wary of stepping around. Just from look at it, it doesn't look safe. And right here, there's a weak spot. There's a hole. On the planks, there's a hole right there. My feet can go straight through that, so I'm gonna have to be very careful this side of the building. So I would like to see the back of the house, but I'm not sure. I don't think I showed you guys the bathroom yet. I'm gonna go around this spot right here because it's not safe. Empty closet right here. So this is a nice bathroom. Looks pretty good. Empty. Well, I don't think this house has been abandoned for that long, actually. Just don't know why it's in this current state. It's weird how this house is in this current state with such, you know, new stuff in there in the bathroom. House might be old, but it has newer furniture, I'd say. Actually, I'm gonna try taking some steps over here. I should be fine now. Let's see if this is safe. Oh, a little bit squishy right here. The whole carpet is squishy. Alright, yeah, I'm on the back porch. That carpet is squishy. I wonder what's in the back. Oh. Wobbly. Yeah, it's pretty cool. See if I can look around here. No, I can't. Looks too overgrown for me to walk around. I'm getting my feet stuck on all these things. Try to be careful because I want to be walking on someone's property right here. I want to step on their crops. Looks like that shed is empty. That's a nice field. It's really hot outside too. It's like 90 degrees outside. I'm sweating. Practically showed you guys everything that I can see for this house. Don't think there's anything else to see here. Yeah, there ain't much to see here other than another field of crops. Wherever the heck those plants are. Walk around here. Hopefully I don't get seen from the other side of the land. There's only like 3 houses on this road. It's a really short road too. Maybe there's actually just one active house. Yeah, there is only one active house. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I'll be searching for more abandoned places I can find that are actually abandoned. But anyways, this is Zekrix. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more content. Have a nice day. Bye bye.